Welcome to an easy guide on marking a channel as unread on WhatsApp Web on PC with the latest update. First, open WhatsApp Web on your computer and sign in if you haven't already. The experience is designed to mirror the mobile app, but with a desktop-friendly layout that makes managing channels a breeze. Your conversations sit on the left, while your chat window scrolls on the right, ready for you to read or respond. Now, locate the channel icon in the left side menu. This icon gives you quick access to all your channels in one place, separating them from individual chats for faster navigation. Click that channel icon to reveal the list of channels you follow and participate in. Scroll through the channel list to find the specific channel you want to mark as unread. It helps to know roughly when you last checked the channel, but even if you're unsure, a quick scan will surface it. Once you spot the right channel, get ready to mark it as unread so you can come back to it later without losing your place. Right. Click on the channel name. A small context menu will appear with several options tailored to your channel actions. This right-click gesture is your doorway to a quick set of controls without opening the channel itself. If you're used to keyboard shortcuts, you can still rely on the context menu for a fast workflow. From the context menu, select Mark as Unread. This action immediately flags the channel, signaling to you that there's something you want to revisit. The channel will show an unread badge, and the next time you open WhatsApp Web, you'll see that badge and know there's pending content to review. To verify, return to the channel list and confirm the unread indicator next to the channel's name. You can proceed with other tasks on WhatsApp Web, knowing you've created a gentle reminder for this channel. When you're ready to read again, simply click into the channel as usual and catch up on the latest messages. That's all there is to it. Marking channels as unread helps you stay organized and ensures important discussions aren't missed, even on a busy desktop session. If you want, you can repeat this process for any other channels you follow, keeping your WhatsApp workflow smooth and efficient.